Good afternoon. My name is Karen Rosado Vasquez, and I'm here to do today your Tropical Atlantic and Marine Weather Briefing. And today is Sunday, November 19, 2023. And this is a summary of the features that we have currently. And we have a Western Atlantic Ocean gale force wind warning, and this goes for winds south to southwest between 30 and 35 knots, and seas are 10 to 15 feet. And this is located north of 26 north between 60 west and 65 west. And this event is ongoing, and we are expecting that conditions start improving late tonight. Another event that we have going on right now is significant central North Atlantic Ocean northerly swells. And right now we have 11 to 12 feet swells, and they are from north of 23 north between 39 west and 51 west. And we also are expecting these conditions to start improving, and by late tonight we should be over with this event. This is our latest surface analysis. So right now we have this dissipating cold front over Florida and the eastern Gulf of Mexico. We have a low pressure here, which is causing a high pressure gradient with a high pressure that is out of our area, and this is the area with the gale warning. We also have a high pressure that is going to start developing behind this cold front that is dissipating, and we have two low areas of low pressure in the Caribbean Sea. And this is the tropical weather Atlantic for the next 7 days. And in here, we are monitoring this area in the Caribbean Sea. It only have a low chance of development, and showers are disorganized. And the development is not expected, but since there are some showers in the area, we are expecting that some dry air will move into the system, so the chances for development is low as the system continues to move westward. Looking ahead, this is the 24-hour forecast, and we have this cold front over here in the Western Atlantic. And for Monday, conditions look very good for marine conditions. And then moving on, beginning on Tuesday is when conditions will start deteriorating. We are expecting two areas of developing gales. On the western Gulf of Mexico, another cold front is going to exit the coast of Texas. So a high pressure gradient is going to form in the western Gulf, and possible gales are going to be developing. Another area that we're going to watch for Tuesday is a low pressure that models are forecasting that is going to develop along this cold front. And the high pressure gradient between this low and the high that is on the wakes of this cold front is going to produce an area of gale warnings. And right now we are forecasting that seas are going to be between 12 to 16 feet. Continuing to Wednesday, the possible gale warnings, we are expecting to have seas 12 to 14 feet in the Western Gulf, and in the central North Atlantic, 12 to 16 feet, as the low pressure system with the cold front and then a stationary front continue in the area. It is by Thursday when we start expecting conditions to improve. So it's Thanksgiving Day, and there's going to be some remaining seas around 12 feet in the north central Atlantic. But by then, conditions will start improving. And on Friday, the same thing, a smaller area, maybe with winds near 12 feet seas. And in summary, we are expecting conditions to improve across the basins starting late tonight. So the gale warning is we are expecting to be expired at 1 a.m. and the significant swell events will subside. Beginning on Tuesday, marine conditions will start deteriorating and over the western Gulf of Mexico and over the central North Atlantic, and gale warnings may be required. By Thanksgiving Day, marine conditions may be improving, and please visit our high seas forecast for possible gale warnings in the future. And this concludes the Tropical Atlantic Marine Weather Briefing, and the next briefing will be issued on Thursday, November 23rd by 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Thank you for joining.